friends, let's make another program for a store where we will go and we will buy some products for some specific price. And what it should do, it should print that what is our bill on the screen. So let's start typing the code, typing the program. So I will buy few things. So I have to store the quantity. So as we discussed earlier, that the variable name should be meaningful. So for example, I bought 20 something, and price, the price of that item is, for example, 3. I'm storing it in the price, and then I want to calculate the bill. So quantity multiply by price, and then I'm asking him print bill. Before running this program, let's discuss the logic of this thing. So the first instruction, when I'm asking him to execute the first instruction, so it will create a variable with the name of quantity, and it will assign 20 to that. Why it will create a variable? Because we are asking him to assign. So whenever you are assigning something, so for that thing, it will always create a variable, and it will make the variable name quantity. Now on the next instruction, I'm asking him assign 30 to the price. It will create another variable with the name of price, and it will assign 3 there. On the next instruction, I'm asking him that whatever the value of quantity is, multiply that with price and then store that thing in bill. So in this case, I think it will store 60 there, and then I'm asking him to print bill. It should print that 260 is from the last program. So it will print bill, so it should print 60 on the screen. So let's run the program. If there are no errors, let me erase. Yeah, so our code printed 60 on the screen because that is what our bill is. Now I changed my quantity, so I bought some 78 things, and the price was, for example, £2. When we run the code, it will tell us that your bill is 156 on the screen. The only problem here is this output, this result is not meaningful. It is printing just 150 on the screen. What that 150 is, I don't know. We made the program, so we know that this is our bill. If there is someone else looking at this value, so they will never know that what 156 is. It should be like your bill is 150. It should print the message like this one. So this is more meaningful to us. So now everyone will know that, okay, this is our bill, we need to print that thing. But before printing this meaningful output, we need to discuss few things, and that is the data type. So let's discuss that thing, and then we will come back and we will just make this program more meaningful.